Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and today we're taking a look at the XIMBRO battery-powered head strap for the Oculus Quest 2. Now, the company XIMBRO claims that their head strap will provide me an extra 6 hours of playtime on the Oculus Quest 2. Now, I don't have my own Oculus Quest 2. Well, I kind of do. It's in my house, but it's actually my daughter's Oculus Quest 2, so I'll be borrowing it from her for this video. But we'll take a look at the head strap and see how it fits and see how it feels and see if it does what it promises to do.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
We'll get right to the unboxing, but first, an important message from my main man, Steven Seagal.
This is Steven Seagal. I'm just reminding you that we gotta spread the word about Old Man New Tech. So hit like and subscribe at the bottom, or I'll come to your house and I will eat all your donuts.
Alright, so we're going to unbox the XIMBRO life extending adjustable strap for the Oculus Quest 2. Here it goes. Okay, so this is a pretty simple unboxing here at Old Man New Tech. We've got our XIMBRO Excellence strap. Now this is going to be going on to my daughter's Oculus Quest. Looks pretty simple. I guess this gets affixed to the side of the headset. This is going to ride on the back of my head. And this strap goes over the top of the skull. And this looks like it plugs into, it's a Type-C connector that's going to go into the side of the Oculus Quest 2. This is the top of the battery pack, which is a 5,000 milliamp. Supposedly give me an extra 6 hours of playtime. Power button, LED indicators. We're going to hit that. Oh, look at that. We got a full charge. This dial here on the back actually ratchets up and ratchets down the tightness of the head strap. It also came with some handy dandy instructions, which I will actually read this time. Now let's go steal my daughter's Oculus Quest 2 and swap out the straps and see how this whole thing works. Alright, so this is going to be my first time actually taking the strap off of the Oculus Quest 2, and I'll be putting on the XIMBRO Excellence strap with battery. This may take a little bit because I want to be real careful with my daughter's Oculus Quest 2. It's her prized possession. So it may take a little while. I'm going to speed it up and let you know how long it took me after this video is done. Alright, so it looks like we have the strap completely on. Let's peel off the rest of the plastic on this. Nice little shiny accents there, and it looks like we are almost ready to go. Oh wait, I almost forgot one thing. Let's plug this bad boy in. Alright, so the XIMBRO Excellence battery backup strap is connected, and oh wow, look at this. I can already see that it is charging the existing battery on the Oculus Quest 2. Alright, so it looks like I have everything back together the way it should be. I've got the device plugged into my Oculus Quest 2. Actually, I should say my daughter's Oculus Quest 2. I've plugged the cable into the side. Now, as soon as I did that, it turned on because the device itself, we drained the power out of it. So I'm going to see if I can charge the entire device through the battery pack on the back of this strap. And it, according to the information provided by XIMBRO, it will also charge the device as well. So I'm going to charge this all up and we'll catch you guys for a try-on. Okay, so as you can see, we are able to charge the Oculus Quest through the XIMBRO Excellence head strap, and that's plugged in right there, and then that is plugged into the wall, so I'm able to charge both the battery pack and the headset at the same time. Pretty cool. Alright, so we've got the XIMBRO Excellence head strap all hooked up to our Oculus Quest 2, and I got her plugged in right there, so you can see that on there. And you know, I take it out and I put it in, and it tends to power up the headset. So as you can see, we've got it's adjustable by this cute little ratchet on the back. It's really convenient, and I was able to get a really nice snug fit and comfortable too, because there is a cup on here for the back of my head. So it's kind of weird shooting a video with this because I keep messing my hair up for the video, but hey, it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make for old man new tech and for you guys out there. So you know, putting this on is relatively easy. It fits snug in place, and as you can see, it's clamped right in the back here, so it offsets the weight of the battery pack. Now this is a 5,000 milliamp battery pack. As I said before, it's going to give me 6 hours of additional usage for my Oculus Quest 2. When I'm using my Oculus Quest 2, I get maybe a couple hours out of it. Frankly, the battery life hasn't been as impressive as I would like, because if you go to a party or something and you're letting people use it, it doesn't it doesn't last very long. What's cool about this is that with the XIMBRO head strap, I can pass it around. I can take it for a long weekend if I want to. The head strap is nice enough that, and easy to use, that anybody can put it on and size it directly for their head and make it super comfortable. The strap, just like the strap that comes with the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset, is also adjustable. The top strap that goes over the top of my head, and it was really easy to install, as we showed on the video. But I'm gonna let you guys take a look at what it looks like when you have it on, and the power from this thing is powering your Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. So let's put it on and you can see what goes on inside. All right, so I am inside the Oculus Quest 2 universe in the waiting room, and I have the XIMBRO head strap plugged in, and it is showing that I am charging. So there you go. I'm wireless, but I'm still charging. Kind of cool. Right now, the battery on my device is at 70%, but that will continue to either climb or stay where it's at, depending on how long I'm playing. And I can play things like Gorn, there's my hands, for 6 hours straight. Won't that be fun? All right, so not only can you hear my we can hear my neighbor's dog barking in the background, but that's what it looks like on the inside when you plug it in. It looks like you have literally plugged the headset into the wall to charge it up. And I also like the matte finish on the head strap itself, and the color itself matches perfectly with the Oculus 2 VR headset. So my final thoughts on the XIMBRO head strap is that it does everything it promises to do. It charges up my device. Turning on the battery pack is just as easy as clicking this button twice on here. You can see the power level, and it goes right into charging mode. Now we're at 100% charge, which is cool. But when I pulled my Oculus Quest 2 off the shelf, it wasn't completely charged. It was about 70% charged. And all I did was I plugged the Type-C connector to the battery pack, and it charged not only the battery pack, but it charged the headset as well. Can't get much more convenient than that. And I could take a long time going on and on about this head strap, but it's comfortable, it works, it does what it's supposed to. And for that reason alone, I have to recommend it. Want to check out the latest in pricing? Go down below. I shot a link down there so you can check it out. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go play some games and have some fun. All right, Gorn time. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.